The Laker neon sign from MCJS GSP is a vibrant and stylish decorative piece designed specifically for fans of the NBA's Los Angeles Lakers. This neon sign features the iconic Lakers logo and is crafted to bring a lively and spirited atmosphere to any room, whether it be a bedroom, man cave, office, or social gathering space. Its dimensions, approximately 11.8 inches by 13.8 inches, make it a compact yet impactful addition to wall decor. The sign's size is ideal for various settings, including bedrooms, game rooms, nurseries, gyms, bars, cafes, shops, apartments, and dormitories, providing a cool and energetic vibe wherever it is placed. One of the standout features of this neon sign is its use of LED technology rather than traditional glass neon tubes. This modern approach means the sign does not generate heat, making it safe to touch and more energy efficient. The LED neon light is bright and vivid, capable of illuminating a room effectively. Users have noted the brightness as a positive aspect, with the sign lighting up space as well and enhancing the overall ambience. The sign includes a smart 3-key dimmer with memory function, allowing users to adjust the brightness easily with up and down buttons. This feature provides flexibility to set the light intensity from dim to very bright according to preference or mood, adding to the sign's usability. The long power cord offers convenience in placement, enabling the sign to be hung in various locations without restriction. Installation is straightforward, with wall-mounting hardware included, making it easy to set up without professional assistance. This ease of installation is appreciated by buyers who want a quick and hassle-free way to add Lakers-themed decor to their living space. The product is marketed as an ideal gift for basketball enthusiasts of all ages. It has been well received by Lakers fans, with many users reporting that it makes a great present for family members or friends who support the team. The sign's aesthetic appeal and team pride make it a thoughtful and exciting gift option. However, some users have reported issues with the product's durability. There are instances where the sign arrived cracked or damaged, which caused disappointment. This suggests that while the product is visually appealing, care must be taken during shipping and handling. Additionally, a few customers have mentioned that the plastic fringes on the sides of the sign give it a less premium look, which might detract from the overall impression for some buyers. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall reception of the Laker neon sign is positive. Its combination of bright lighting, adjustable settings, and Lakers branding creates a fun and lively atmosphere that resonates well with fans. The price point is considered reasonable, especially when compared to larger, more expensive neon signs, making it an accessible option for many. In summary, the Laker neon sign by MCJS GSP is a well-designed, bright, and easy-to-use decorative light that effectively captures Lakers' spirit. It is perfect for fans wanting to showcase their team pride in a stylish and modern way. While there are some concerns about packaging and minor aesthetic details, the sign's performance and appeal outweigh these issues. For those interested in adding a splash of Lakers-themed energy to their space, this neon sign is a worthy consideration. The product link is available in the description to support the channel and help viewers find this great Lakers fan item. If you own this sign, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.